Robert Kiyosaki, the renowned author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, recently took to Twitter with a bold statement. Following Citibank's announcement of its blockchain-based deposit token, Kiyosaki tweeted, "Bye-bye Bitcoin, US dollar." But what's the story behind this? Citigroup has announced the creation and pilot testing of the Citi token services. This service aims to upgrade the bank's core cash management and trade finance capabilities. Citibank's new service, named Citi Token Services for Cash Management and Trade Finance, utilizes blockchain and smart contract technologies. This move positions Citibank among the latest traditional banks to offer tokenized deposits. But does this threaten Bitcoin or the US dollar? Many in the crypto community don't think so. Robert Salvador, CEO of DigiBuild, commented that this development only continues to drive the adoption and usage of crypto. As we now dive deeper into the Citibank announcement and Robert Kiyosaki's view on this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your comments below. Citigroup, the American multinational investment bank and financial services corporation, has become the latest firm to wade into the blockchain waters as Citi Treasury and Trade Solutions, TTS, has announced the creation and pilot testing of the Citi Token Services for Cash Management and Trade Finance. According to the release report this week, a Citi Token service uses blockchain and smart contract technologies to deliver digital asset solutions for institutional clients and will integrate tokenized deposits and smart contracts into Citi's global network to upgrade the firm's core cash management and trade finance capabilities. Institutional clients have a need for always-on, programmable financial services, and Citi Token Services will provide cross-border payments, liquidity, and automated trade finance solutions on a 24/7 basis, Citi said. The move makes Citi the latest traditional bank to offer tokenized deposits, which are transferable digital coins that represent a claim against the bank. The main benefit of tokenized deposits is that they take place on the blockchain, which means the settlement is instantaneous. Digital asset technologies have the potential to upgrade the regulated financial system by applying new technologies to existing legal instruments and well-established regulatory frameworks, said Shamir Kalik, global head of services at Citi. The development of Citi Token Services is part of our journey to deliver real-time, always-on, next-generation transaction banking services to our institutional clients. This development goes hand-in-hand with our industry-leading work on the regulated liability network to create interoperable digital asset solutions on a multi-bank basis. To create the new service, Citi worked with Maersk and a Canal Authority to digitize a solution that serves the same purpose as bank guarantees and letters of credit in the trade finance ecosystem. Citi ran a pilot project that utilized blockchain technology to provide buyers and sellers with a digital process for instant payment capabilities to reduce transaction processing times from days to minutes. The pilot successfully demonstrated the programmable transfer of tokenized deposits that provided instant payments to service providers via smart contracts, the release said. "We are pleased to have collaborated with Citi in the successful test pilots for the guarantee solution using digitized tokens and smart contracts," Murray-Lore Martin, Regional Treasury Manager for the Americas at Maersk. The innovative solution has promising applications for trade finance. Citi Token Services has also been applied to a global cash management pilot, enabling clients to transfer liquidity between Citi branches on a 7-days-a-week basis. Citi Token Services provides corporate treasurers with a new tool to manage global liquidity on a just-in-time, programmable basis, said Ryan Rugg, Global Head of Digital Assets at Citi Treasury and Trade Solutions. Frictions related to cutoff times and gaps in the service window will be reduced. Citi said the private permission blockchain technology used in the new offering is owned and managed by the bank, and clients will not be required to host a blockchain node to access the services. Citi continues to develop digital asset solutions in line with its goals and risk appetite, using a unified set of shared technology capabilities and a common strategic approach. These innovative solutions enhance Citi's products and services, including digital money, trade, securities, custody, asset servicing, and collateral mobility, the release said. TTS has been granted banking licenses in over 90 countries and globally integrated technology platforms, and continues to lead the way in offering a comprehensive range of digitally enabled treasury, trade, and liquidity management solutions, Citi said. Buy Bitcoin and US dollar. Kiyosaki tweeted, Citibank announced today it is offering bank blockchain technology to turn institutional savings into Citibank tokens, which can be used for instantaneous 7-days-a-week cross-border transactions. Buy Bitcoin and US dollar. For Kiyosaki, the development, which comes on the heels of JP Morgan announcing that they are also in the process of exploring a blockchain-based deposit token, could have wider-reaching implications for both Bitcoin and the US dollar. Kiyosaki likely posted his tweet in question form to generate conversation and doesn't see Bitcoin or the USD threatened by bank deposit tokens. However, members of the crypto community engaged with the author to help provide clarity on the situation. They're putting USD on a private blockchain. This doesn't change anything for Bitcoin or its value proposition, said Robert Salvador, CEO of DigiBuild. If anything, it continues to drive adoption and usage of crypto. Kiyosaki has been a staunch supporter of Bitcoin for several years now, as he sees the top crypto as the digital counterpart to gold and regularly recommends them along with silver, and as the best investments to preserve wealth in economically challenging times. I am constantly asked, what price will gold, silver, or Bitcoin be in 2025, he tweeted on September 19. My reply is that is a silly question. The more important question is how many gold, silver, Bitcoins do you have today? Gold, silver, and Bitcoin are bargains today, but not tomorrow. America is broke. Buy GSBC today before stocks, bonds, and real estate crash and people rush for GSBC. Earlier in the year, as the collapse of several banks had many wondering if the next global banking crisis was starting, Kiyosaki tweeted, "Giant crash coming. Depression is possible. Fed forced to print billions in fake money. By 2025, gold at $5,000, silver at $500, and Bitcoin at $500,000. When asked why, Kiyosaki said, because faith in the US dollar, fake money will be destroyed. Gold and silver are God's money. Bitcoin is the people's money. On August 14, he tweeted that Bitcoin is going to $100,000 if the stock and bond market crash, and said if the world economy crashes, Bitcoin would hit a price of $1 million while gold would climb to $75,000 and silver would hit $60,000. The recent announcements from Citibank and the subsequent reactions from influential figures like Robert Kiyosaki underscore the dynamic interplay between traditional banking and the burgeoning world of cryptocurrencies. Citibank's foray into blockchain technology with its Citi token services signifies a pivotal moment for institutional banking. By leveraging the power of blockchain for instantaneous settlements and integrating smart contracts into its global networks, Citibank is not only modernizing its operations but also setting a precedent for other banks to follow. Robert Kiyosaki's tweets, while provocative, shed light on a broader sentiment that resonates with many in the financial community. The juxtaposition of traditional currencies like the US dollar with digital assets like Bitcoin raises pertinent questions about the future of global finance. Will blockchain technology and tokenized deposits become the norm, rendering traditional banking methods obsolete? Or will they coexist, each serving distinct purposes in a multifaceted financial ecosystem? Kiyosaki's perspective, as evidenced by his tweets, is multifaceted. While he acknowledges the potential of blockchain technology as showcased by Citibank's innovations, he also remains a staunch advocate for Bitcoin, viewing it as a hedge against economic uncertainties. His predictions, whether they pertain to the price of gold, silver, or Bitcoin, are rooted in a belief that tangible assets and decentralized digital currencies offer a refuge in turbulent times. Furthermore, the discourse surrounding the US dollar's position in this new era is noteworthy. As Robert Salvador, CEO of DigiBuild, pointed out, the integration of the US dollar into private blockchains doesn't diminish Bitcoin's value proposition. Instead, it might bolster the adoption and usage of cryptocurrencies, reinforcing their place in the financial world. In essence, the developments from Citibank and the insights from Kiyosaki encapsulate the ongoing transformation in the realm of finance. As banks embrace blockchain and as thought leaders continue to debate and discuss, one thing is clear. The intersection of traditional finance and digital assets is a space ripe for innovation, challenges, and immense possibilities. As we navigate this transition, it's crucial to stay informed, open-minded, and prepared for a future where the lines between traditional and digital finance might blur, but the opportunities for growth and evolution are boundless. How do you envision the future interplay between traditional banking systems and the rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrencies? Share your thoughts and predictions in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.